little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a cute and colorful house scene together.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw a triangle roof at the top. Nice and pointy. Now under the triangle, draw a tall rectangle. This will be our main house. Let's add another roof sticking out to the right side. Under that, draw a smaller rectangle. This is the extended part of our house. Let's draw the base of the house, just a long rectangle at the bottom to make it stand. Now, let's add a big door in the middle of the tall part. Add 2 windows on the extended part. And one more small window above the door. Perfect. Time for nature. Draw some bushes behind the house, just some bumpy shapes. Let's add a tree on one side of the house. And now, draw 2 trees peeking out behind the roof. Beautiful. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outlines bold and sharp to make the artwork really pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's use our rainbow colors. Ready? Let's go! Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow! What a colorful house! You did a fantastic job! Thanks for drawing with me at Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun drawing videos. Bye-bye, little artists!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.